Immobiliser fit. This is a 2021 Toyota Hilux protected with a Starline Pro Immobiliser with an additional Bluetooth tag. So a thief guessed this key, done a relay attack, went to steal it. It's just not going to start up. As you can see, the ignition power's up, but the vehicle doesn't start. Foot's on the brake, vehicle's not starting. So what the customer can do, have their Bluetooth tag. Now we've got the battery in, they just start the truck, starts up, no need for a code, and they can drive away, nice and simple. If they forget the tag one day, leave it at home, or they've used the spare key, don't have the tag on it, they get in the car, try to start it, obviously it's not going to start, so they keep their foot off the brake, double tap the start button, go for a unique code of their choosing, 1, 2, 3 we have for the video. Hear a disarm tone, foot on the brake, start it up, and we can drive away. Customer can obviously set their own code on this, between 3 and 21 presses in any order. Totally up to them, completely unique. This one, as we said, also has the optional Bluetooth tag, so it keeps it nice and simple. So they just keep the tag in their wallet, in their pocket, get in, start it up. Couldn't be simpler. Taking it for a service, what they'll do, go to the tag, press and hold, screen circle's going to flash. Keep holding it, when it flashes rapidly we'll let go. We get 2 bleeps. Now this is in what's called service mode. So when it goes back to Toyota, you don't need to worry about leaving them the tag, you don't need to worry about telling them the code, it's just a normal truck. They're going to get in it, start it up without a code, without a tag, and it's just going to be switched off completely until you get it back. When you get it back, what you got to do, go back to your tag, or you can do this on the buttons, press and hold like you did before. Watch this LED until it starts flashing rapidly. Now we'll let go. We get 2 bleeps, the system's back on, and as you'll see, the tag's now green and the vehicle's secure. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Starline Pro on a 2021 Toyota Hilux with the optional Bluetooth tag.